Hello and welcome to Thailand. Today, the Teletubbies are going to be going on a holiday. It's a day trip. Here comes the choo-choo train. Here it comes. Everyone all aboard the choo-choo train. Choo-choo. The Teletubbies is on the choo-choo train. Let's see what we have packed for the day trip. Here's our humongous bag. There's an elephant on the bag, and this bag is from recycled plastic. Let's see what's inside. Oh dear. Aha! I see a book, and it says how to tell if your cat is going to kill you. I like to read books on the train if I get bored. And here's another thing. It's a fidget toy. It's the shape of a puppet, and it is a humongous. We got two pops, and there's green and orange. And there's a keychain, so you can hang it on to a backpack or a key. What else is in here? Aha! There's a special treat. This is a special treat on the train. We take our own food because the train food could have chemicals. So we have our own waffle. And we also have packed some healthy snacks such as this banana and these oranges and two apples. We got this. Here's one of the apples, and here's another apple. Is there anything else in the bag? Nope, everything is empty. So here's all the essentials what I'm going to take on the trip. We'll see you there. We might be going to Eureka or Ilkley. Remember when we went to Ilkley last year? It was a nice trip. And we might go there again. So thank you for coming to Thailand. Please like our videos.
We really hope you enjoyed this video for today. We're here to ask our fans for a bit of help. We only have 6 subscribers on Thailand, and it'll be really helpful if you subscribed. Here's the red subscribe button, and you can subscribe, and you can turn on the post notifications so you can be a part of the Thai squad. And for those fans who have already subscribed to my channel, we want to give a great big thank you.